I have something to say. I'm telling you something. I'm telling you something. It is going to happen. It's going to happen. People, friends, we're going to meet a friend, a new friend, and her name is Nora. Let's use our alternative pencil in our pod and see if we can spell Nora. Mommy can find it. Oh my goodness. Where's our letters? Huh? Here we go. All right. Look at our pencil here. N-O-R-A. Nora, our friend Nora. Let's go back to the beginning. Back to page 1. I think it will be great. Great. Another word. Back to page 1, to do something. I think it will be great to do something. To see. I think it will be great to see. Another word. Back to categories. It'll be great to see people, friends. It'll be great to see a friend, right? And what can we say to Nora when we see her? We can say quick chat, turn the page. Hello. Hi, Nora. Right? We can say that to her. Angela, do you have something to say? You're waving your arm. Do you have something to say? Yes. Quick chat. Something's wrong, I think it's. Yes. Quick chat. You have a quick chat. Me, you, hurry up. Uh-oh, stop, help. More. Finish. Let's do something else. I don't know. Bathroom. Turn the page. I don't know. Bathroom. Turn the page. Yeah. I don't know. Bathroom. Turn the page. Yes. Quick chat. Turn the page. Hello. Listen. I want to do what others are doing. Don't touch. Go away. I'm sorry. Just kidding. Please. Thank you. I forgot. I love you. Go to the list. Is that a yes? Yes or no? I can't tell between your hiccups. Was that a yes? I forgot. I love you. Go to the list. Oops, did you make a mistake? Did you make a mistake? Yes,